Hey guys and welcome to another 2-minute video section. I don't know 2 मिनट का 2 मिनट होता नहीं है. We always speak more because उतना प्यार है, उतना information है आपको देने के लिए और 2 मिनट में तो कुछ समा नहीं सकते हैं. So we always speak more than 2 minutes. And today for today's video we'll be speaking about shape shifting demons. आपने ये term बहुत सुना होगा ना? That shape shifters होता है, shape shifters होता है. Suddenly कुछ नया term आया है. Is this possible? Let me tell you, shape shifters are not a recent trend. Shape shifters are from a lot of ancestral trends we know are working in all the cultures across the world, right? जैसे कि वेस्ट में होता है what is that called, werewolf बोलते हैं, right? कि दिन में आदमी होता है और रात को suddenly in a full moon night or whatever they turn into wolves, so they change their forms, right? तो shape shift होता है उनका. When it comes to India, काफ़ी फोकलोर्स में बोलते हैं इच्छाधारी नाग या इच्छाधारी नागिन. जो नाग होते हैं या नागिन होता है उनको ठेस पहुंचने से दे टेक ह्यूमन फॉर्म और दे टेक फॉर्म ऑफ whoever they want and then afterwards they manipulate minds or probably take a revenge, right? Then afterwards there are also rakshasas, brahmas as well, the most powerful form of rakshasas जो उनके capability होते हैं shape shift करने की. They come appear as a very different person, as a sage or a sadhu as well. Very famous one was Ravan, right? And then afterwards, even in the East as well, from Japan as well, there are many such demons like Oni who are known to be shape shifters. They appear as different people. So right from mythology and our ancestral texts, there have been a lot of zikr, mentions about shapeshifters. So shapeshifters are real. But ये होता कैसे है? Let us bring us down to logic and science. Suddenly आप मुझे देख रहे हो Savio. तो Savio suddenly shape shift होके सर्वजित तो नहीं बन सकता है, right? There will be some logic to it, ना, that you are seeing me in a different light. But suppose I start speaking like Sarvajit or I start speaking like Pooja, then you will say यार इनकी वाणी थोड़ा चेंज हो चुका है. This speaking किसी और का ये अंडर किसी और के इन्फ्लुएंस से ये बात कर रहा है or something like that. So that is possible, right? But if you look at the logic at how these wise people, those sages had written those texts, the ancestral, the ancient texts, and if you apply some science and logic to it, you will understand that they were actually speaking the truth. So there are shapeshifters in every spheres of life. Right now, even now also, you might be facing a lot of shapeshifters, right? आप अपने ex को ही देखो कैसे थे और कैसे हो गए अभी, right? मजाक कर रहा हूँ, आपके ex shapeshifters नहीं हैं. But then afterwards you will see a lot of people changing their form, changing their characters suddenly, being possessed. बाइपोलर होता है तो एक टाइम में डॉक्टर जकील बनते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं तो मिस्टर हाइड भी बन के आपको परेशान करते हैं. सो बाइपोलर कैन बी सेड टू बी अ शेप शिफ्टिंग डीमन, डिमोनिक पोजेशन, करेक्ट ना? So like that, there are a lot of truths to shape-shifting demons. जब हम जाते हैं अपने haunted locations पे and all those things, we keep an eye on all these things that are happening. If at all a demon is capable of shape-shifting, we keep an eye to that. If you know our Abbott Mount का investigation में, Pooja encountered a shape-shifting demon who impersonated her mother or a motherly figure and tried to manipulate her mind. So shape-shifting demons are real, very logical. बट नॉट एवरी डीमन इज अ शेप शिफ्टर. जो डीमन की प्रोग्रामिंग है वही होगा. जो आपको ब्लाइंडनेस लेके आता है, द डीमन ऑफ ब्लाइंडनेस कैन नॉट कॉज an incision in your stomach. A demon which is causing an intestinal infection will suddenly not cause a diabetes. So there are different demons with the different programming. So a shape-shifting demon should be having that possibilities to manipulate the environment and all, and cause an illusion so that you can see them as something else. And only then will a shape-shifter demon be effective. सब जगह पे नहीं होते हैं, they're very rare, so you don't have to worry too much about it. We are blessed that we don't encounter them on a daily basis. Shape-shifting demon क्या है? I think so we encounter more shape-shifting humans every day. So you need to beware of that. Okay, and with that I think so we end this video right now over here, knowing that shapeshifters are real but very rare. And together with that, I would like to say, if you like this video, do comment, do like, do share this video as much as possible, and please do subscribe and ask everyone else also to subscribe to us. Let the community grow. We learn from each other, we benefit from each other. So let us grow and let everybody else know. Okay, till the next time, bye.